Imagine sending a message online and being 100% certain that the other person can't deny receiving it. This is called non-repudiation.
Hi, I am Imran. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
And this is our topic for today. So let's move to our topic. Let's talk about a very important concept in cybersecurity called non-repudiation. It is all about making sure that once someone sends a message or completes a transaction online, they can't later deny that they did it. It is very crucial for maintaining the integrity and accountability of digital transactions. It also ensures that both the sender and the recipient of the information receive proof of delivery and the sender's identity. This means that nobody can say, "Oh, I didn't send that," or "I didn't get that" later on. So, it is very essential for maintaining the authenticity and the unaltered state of data. So, why is this so important? Well, non-repudiation allows us to verify the source and authenticity of a message or action. This is very important for preventing fraud, disputes, and unauthorized access, which help us build trust and confidence in our online interactions with others. Now, let's look at the role of non-repudiation in data security. Let's see how it helps us mitigate the risk of data tampering. It ensures that any attempts to tamper with data can be detected and traced back to the person who is responsible. So, this not only discourages people from trying to tamper with data, but also helps us respond quickly if any incidents occur. It creates a strong sense of accountability and responsibility in digital transactions. This makes it very difficult for anyone to deny their involvement or blame someone else if something goes wrong. It also helps prevent unauthorized access by providing clear evidence of who is involved in each transaction. This strong evidence helps keep unauthorized users out and protects the integrity of our system. This image shows how digital signatures and encryption work together to achieve non-repudiation. Let's consider an example with Alice and Bob. But before that, let's get a simple idea about public and private key encryption, because we will use these terms in our example. So, a public key is openly shared, and it is used to encrypt data that is sent to you, while the private key is kept secret, and it is used to decrypt data encrypted with your public key. We will learn about encryption in later modules in detail. So, Alice uses her private key to create a very unique digital signature of a message. Bob, the recipient, uses Alice's public key to verify the authenticity of the signature. So, if it matches, Bob can be 100% sure that the message was indeed from Alice and it has not been tampered with. The message is encrypted so that only Bob can decrypt it using his private key, which ensures that the message remains confidential between Alice and Bob. This process guarantees that Alice cannot deny sending the message, because her digital signature proves that she was the sender, and the message is secure and can only be read by Bob. Well, the term digital signature that we used in our example, for your reference, is a cryptographic method that is used to validate the authenticity and integrity of a digital message, document, or software. It's like a digital equivalent of a handwritten signature or a stamped seal, but it offers far more security. So, we have covered the concepts of non-repudiation and how it plays a crucial role in ensuring the security and trustworthiness of a digital transaction. I will see you in the next lecture.
Hey, if you found this tip helpful, then please show some support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Also, let us know what would you like to learn next.